Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2004 L Series. The Saturn L Series is the four-door mid-size sedan offered by Saturn Corporation. The L Series is a nice mix of interior cabin space and rear cargo ability. Whether running to work or out for the weekend with the family, the L Series will move you with comfort and reliability. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, cruise control, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.